Imagine having a superpower that makes you faster, smarter, and way more productive. The crazy part is, you already have it. It's called AI, and it's completely changing the game for anyone who knows how to use it. Think about all the boring stuff that eats up your day. The endless emails, the scheduling nightmares, the organizing, the editing. AI handles it. All of it. So you can focus on actually leveling up your life instead of just drowning in tasks. It can break down a complex problem in seconds, giving you answers and shortcuts that used to take hours of grinding. Need a study buddy who never gets tired? Done. Need an on-demand business coach? It's got your back. You want to create art, music, apps, videos, even a full business plan? AI makes it possible, even if you've never done it before. It's like a booster shot for your brain. It boosts your creativity, sharpens your skills, and helps you learn anything faster than you thought possible. It catches those silly mistakes you don't even see, helps you make smarter decisions, and literally saves you time every single day. And here's the part most people are missing. AI isn't replacing you, it's upgrading you. The people who learn how to use it right now are going to be the ones everyone else is desperately trying to catch up to later. So if you're ready to save time, work smarter, and unlock the craziest tool of our generation, you're in the right place. This is AI Hacks Tips YT, and we're about to show you how to use AI like a pro. Fast, simple, and in ways that will blow your mind.